puro high-tech na. Tsaka mas magastos na pag nagdi-DVD ikaw. Right. So, this time, I'll be showing you a very special paper. Yeah, I'll show you a special paper, guys. Oh, here we go. So, I'll be using a lighter and a paper. So, wala namang kids dito, no? When I do kids party, I always tell them, lighter and paper bad combination. Just for magic, wag gagayahin. Since matatanda na kayo, alam niyo yung ginagawa niyo. So, I'll be lighting this paper up. Whoa! Whoa! So, this is a pearl necklace. Saucy po siya, original. Hindi tayo kukuha ng fake. Ito, so from the paper, meron na tayong Saucy pearl necklace. This is one of the hardest thing that I have trained for. Creating a knot sa pearl necklace using one hand. That's a special skill. Watch. Using one hand, and create a knot. Alam ba ka naman, mahirap yun. Create a knot using my one hand. Right? So, hold onto the knot. Pakihawakan po siya. Yun yan. Now you say guys, you say magic 3 times. Magic. Magic. Are you doing that, ma'am? Oh. Now you have... Oh, meron na tayong pair. There's a necklace and there's a bracelet. Totoo po yan, ha? Totoo yan, ma. Baka mabakuha ka maano siya. It's a real pearl. Thank you. Palakpakan naman mo, palakpakan. Yun ang pinakamahirap, ha? Using one hand, right hand kanina, right hand. Now, I'll try to use my left hand, mas mahirap. Using left hand, mahirap. Hindi ako right-handed kasi ako eh. Using the left hand, yun. You're gonna create the knot like that. Yan, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman ulit, mahirap talaga yun. Yan ma'am. You hold it again, you say magic 3 times. Magic, magic, magic. Ba't gano'n nakatanggal? Now we have no longer a pair. It's a set. We have a necklace, we have a bracelet, and we have a ring. Maraming salamat po. That's how you create jewelry. You can take this one as a souvenir. 55,000 lang po, ma'am. I accept Gcash. Charot. Thank you, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Hope that you like that. Good. Thank you. And